Alright guys, this is the Colt CC1. It's my friend Ryan's. Right there, where start off with the grips again. Some Colt Chase D Hard grips, super soft. Some stock Colt CC1 bars. I think they're 8-inch high. Not sure how wide. The tires Ken does. He says he's gonna change them. Some whatever Colt stand. Some forks tapered. Nice hub. Some sun angle rims. It's a nice frame with a Colt emblem on there. Colt, what's it called? One PC post or something like that. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Also some cranks. Some like replica Colt OS sprocket. And the knife tooth driver with the Colt 410 chain and integrated seat clamp.